So I've just recorded a whole 15-minute video and my OBS has crashed. I don't know if you can tell, I'm currently on my laptop. Let's just try and go back. Would that work? Ooh. Go back to Solana. There you go. Okay, I think this is how the chart looked like from the last episode. I haven't touched it. Recently I've left episode 1 between the 1st or the 2nd of September, so it's right at the beginning of the month. We're currently on 16th of September. So this is a bi-weekly checkup. Let me just remember exactly what I've said before the OBS crashed, but yeah, let me try and recreate it from my memory. So we had a good little run here, as you can see. On the 1st and 2nd of September is where the episode came out, and we drew this. So the price never retraced back down to where we originally. Let me just check it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. So the price never went down to our entry, so we had to chase it. So anywhere between here is a valid chase. So wherever you and anything up to here was just beyond risky. So we did have a good run up. It hit our target, and it's now making its mind up on what it wants to do next, whether it wants to come back to a retrace. So far it's still following the trend line. Let's just double check with some Fibonacci lines on where possible retracements might happen. So as long as it holds this green line, we should be okay to carrying on the bullish trend. It is a possible, and hopefully it doesn't retrace beyond the 382, but we would definitely need that 618 to become support if you're looking for it to go on the upside. Unfortunately, if it does break the line and doesn't retrace immediately, retests the line and goes back down, or it could possibly make a retracement all the way down to the 7.5, which is very common, and make the 618 golden pocket a resistance instead of a support. Anything is possible. If it does break this trend line, in my opinion, it will be quite bearish from there on end. Okay, let's just delete that trade because that's just invalidated now. Okay, so we can delete all of them. Let's go into a shorter time frame. Let's see what we have going on here. So it looks like a little consolidation area. We've currently fighting on the on the golden pocket to try and keep it as a support level. If it does keep the support level, we should expect it to bounce around the 382 area and hopefully penetrate and make that into support, or a bounce back down and back up again. Okay, we do have FOMC rate cuts, possible rate cuts, nothing's 100% for tomorrow. So we've got FOMC tomorrow. So the current rate is 4.5%. we are expecting a 4.25%, but if you go here, there is a 3.9% that's going to be even lower than the forecast. Okay, so just be ready for, I mean, anything is possible. Okay, let's see where we're standing here. So let's put down, there's quite a high volume node right there. Let's put down a anchored VWAP for the short time frame. And it looks like we are just barely hanging on, fighting on for the VWAP, okay? We do want to ideally break above the blue line. Yeah, exactly. Turn a 382 into support, retest the 618 and hopefully even turn that into support. But as you can see, it's probably gonna go something like that. And by the time the price gets there, we might just see the golden pocket as a resistance level, which would make an almost perfect trident. Okay, so just be wary of that, the price retracing there. So if you are still in a position, just make sure to cover as many profits as you can. So yeah, not much going on. These moves are very small. The bullishness has mostly kind of dies down. As you can see, there has been a lot of stops, and the volume's just slowly been dying down. I think people are either already in positions from much lower down, prepared for the FOMC, or they're waiting for tomorrow and they have no idea what's going on, but neither does the market. So I wouldn't really take any positions as of yet if you're not already in one, and I'll just wait for the FOMC data to see if we're actually getting any rate cuts. And hopefully, if we do get massive rate cuts, I would expect either the price to just shoot right up or take a quick little retracement onto between the golden pocket and 786. So tomorrow, if we get a very quick wick down into this box, you could probably see me in a nice juicy position, okay? With a stop loss of a lower low around either this one or this one, depending on, should be around here. Starting at the 618 with a stop loss, lower low. And at this point, if that keeps holding, yeah, you're looking maybe even near the 400s, okay? So that would be quite a decent trade to take for Solana. But yeah, this has been the bi-weekly update, and thank you for watching.